All right, ma'am. So we received a call, a few calls about the way you were driving, okay? And our corporal was able to pull up behind you and observe some of your driving pattern. And along with the driving pattern, and then when you pulled over the side of the road, I understand we couldn't see in the ditch, okay?
Yeah.
But with all of that combined, okay, we are going to ask for you to participate in some field sobriety exercises, just to make sure everything's okay, and we're going to go from there, okay? All right. You're willing to participate in the field sobriety exercises? Okay. Are you wearing glasses or contacts at this time?
No, I'm supposed to wear glasses, but, you know, it's not for driving, but I'm supposed to wear glasses, but it's not for driving.
Okay. The first exercise is the horizontal gaze nystagmus, all right? I'm going to check your eyes.
Okay.
Listen to all my instructions completely, the full thing. I'm going to demonstrate, and then we'll proceed with the exercise, okay? Stand with your feet together, with your hands at your side, okay? Look at the stimulus and follow the stimulus with your eyes only. Do not move your head.
What's the stimulus?
I'm going to show you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just saying, what's the stimulus? Okay.
Look at the stimulus and follow the stimulus with your eyes only. Do not move your head. Keep looking at the stimulus until told the test is over. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You're going to look at the tip of my pen, okay?
Okay.
This is the tip here.
Yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Touch the tip of my pen with your finger. Perfect. All right, with your eyes only, okay? Do you understand the instructions, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, with your eyes only. Right, with your eyes only, okay? All right, the next exercise is going to be called the walk and turn. We're going to use this yellow line here, okay? See the straight line? Place your left foot on the line and put your right heel against the toe of your left foot.
Yeah, if you want to go barefoot.
Yeah, do you want to go barefoot?
Yeah,
just so it's easier.
Left foot on the line. Right heel against your toes. Put your arms down at your side. Okay? And maintain this position until I've completed the instructions. Do not start to walk until told to do so. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to walk this way so you can see what I'm doing, okay? No, I'm going to walk this way so you can see what I'm doing while you're standing there, okay? When I tell you to start, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, turn, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. When you turn, keep the front lead foot on the line and turn by taking a series of small steps with your other foot. While you are walking, keep your arms at your side, while your feet at all times, watch your feet at all times and count your steps out loud. Once you start walking, do not stop until you have completed the test. Do you understand these instructions? All right, I'm going to demonstrate for you, okay? Left foot, right heel to my toes, hands down at your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A series of small turns around, steps around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the test is complete. If you step off the line, immediately step back onto the line.
Oh.
Okay? Get in your starting position.
Started.
And begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't turn around. 9. Turn around. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know it's supposed to be 9, but let's turn around.
All right, the next exercise is going to be the one leg stand. You have a timer?
Oh, yeah.
Stand with your feet together and your arms down at your side. Do not start to perform the test until I tell you to do so. Do you understand the instructions so far?
Yes.
When I tell you to start, raise either leg with the foot. Raise either leg with your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. You choose which leg, okay? I'm going to show you. Keep both legs straight and your arms at your side. While holding that position, count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until told to stop. Keep your arms at your sides at all times and keep watching the raised foot. Do you understand? Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate, all right? Feet together, legs straight. You're going to point one foot 6 inches, 1001, 1002, 1003, until you're told to stop. Do you understand?
Yes, and I can pick whatever foot.
Pick whichever foot. And if you put your foot down, immediately start back into the exercise, okay? Ready?
Go.
Go ahead.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007.
Watch your
Pick
toe.
your foot up more.
Pick your foot up and watch your toe, ma'am.
1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010,
Watch your foot.
1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019.
Pick it up 6 inches.
I don't know what's going to
Okay.
but I'm
Point your toe down and look at your toes, though.
17, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027, 1028, 1029, 1030, 1031, 1032, 1023, 1024.
Okay, you can stop, ma'am.
You stop. You're good. Thank you.
That's what I was telling. It's a cup in my car.
Just give us 1 second. I'll get that cup.
No, I was just trying to keep.
I got you. I got you. You all right?
Okay, baby.
So,
Okay. All right, ma'am. The next.
1 second.
I don't want to get his cup just to keep him calm.
He's gonna grab it.
Man, where's the cup and I'll get it?
In the back of the car.
What color is it?
It's orange. It should have, yeah. Okay, baby. You got it. Okay.
Alright. Sorry about that. Okay.
All right, the next exercise, you're gonna touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your finger, okay? This is the tip of your finger here to the tip of your nose, okay? You're gonna stand with your feet together, arms down at your side. I'm gonna tell you which hand to raise. You raise that hand only. As soon as you touch the tip of your nose, return your hand back down to your side and wait for the next instruction. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're gonna tilt your head back, close your eyes, and when I tell you which side, okay? You can watch me for now. I'm going to keep my eyes open for safety, okay?
Okay.
Right, left,
Right.
and so on until you're told to stop, okay? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, get in the starting position. Right, left, right. Tilt your head all the way back. Left, right, left. Okay.
Oh my God.
All right, man. Just step to the front of that car for me, please. Put your shoes back on.
Can I hold him so I can
Just
soothe
give us
him
one
down?
second.
Give us 1 minute.
I
Oh, okay.
hold you, baby. I get you. Right here, Louise.
I'm just trying to soothe him.
All right, ma'am. We got one more exercise for you, okay? Stick both your hands out to the side, okay? When you turn around, all right, place both your hands behind your back, okay?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Put your hands together like you're praying, okay? Being placed under arrest for suspicion of DUI, okay?
Can you tell that?
Who's the closest family to come pick up your son?
Well,
Did anybody in Banal, anybody in Palm Pillars, anybody?
I'm not tripping.
No, you're good. I'm just gonna lock these so they don't get tighter on you.
That's it.
Oh my God, but I have people in Palaca. If you get my phone, I can call them.
Do you trust the people in Palaca with your
Yeah.
son?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. So he's gonna stay in our custody for now, okay? Until obviously we can't stay here all night.